Here is the 2021 Acura TLX Aspec SHR wheel drive. The NSX is getting some fluids changed right now, and this is my loaner. Having had two previous Acura TLXs, the first gen, I thought it would be an interesting video to just take some video clips on this and kind of compare the two. So I will say that obviously the redesign is much more aggressive, right, than the original. The original certainly had some great points and almost looked a little more classy in a way. The redesign looks much more aggressive, which Acura probably needed to move into the segment that they're trending into right now. Looking at the interior, the touch points are really nice. The perforated leather on the steering wheel, certainly a nice upgrade. Taking a look at the gauges in here, obviously these are red because it's the A-Spec model. And cycling through some of the different options, you know, you have a lot of the same features. The on-screen multi-informational display, I think is what it's referred to as, gives you a lot of different data points at your fingertips, which is super handy. One of the cool things about this generation of TLX is that you can customize some of the different driver settings. So I'm going to go through these here and just kind of show you how you can customize the different driver settings for suspension, for throttle response, steering input, and also you can turn off the engine idle button, which is super handy. Taking a look at the rest of the cabin, things are laid out pretty well for as many buttons as are in here. Obviously the HVAC system has heated and ventilated seats, dual climate control, a lot of the features that you would find in a vehicle of this caliber. The TLX, the first gen, everything was on screen, so having a tactile button feedback is really nice. The seats, I'm not super impressed with. You can see these already look wrinkled. The car has like 100 and some miles on it. They're really hard seats, but the seats in the first gen TLX were also really basic. So there certainly is a trade-off. The seats are comfortable, even though they're hard. I know that's weird to say, but when you get in and sit, it's almost like a really firm memory foam in a way. So it's firm, hard, but comfortable. Using the TrueTouch pad here to type in a Home Depot in this case, you're basically spelling out the letter, and the system will then go ahead and search based on what you're typing in. In order to bring up the search results, you simply just press down on the pad and it shows the results. You select where you want to go and you're off. So in the following video clips, just some driving here, you can see how fast the 10-speed transmission shifts. It's certainly not as fast as the dual clutch in the RLX, which I was a little disappointed, but I get it's a dual clutch and it will always be faster than a single clutch. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments.